How to install Google Analytics on WordPress quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another WordPress video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about how you can download Google Analytics on your WordPress and integrate those two and work with it together. So we're going to be discussing it in depth, so please do make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you track your traffic on your website and gather insights to optimize your site for better performance. In this video, we will go through over the steps required to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress website. So basically, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to basically create your WordPress account. Now for that, you're just going to go in TempMail. I'm going to go in TempMail. I'm going to be using a TempMail for myself. But what you can do is you can use a proper email. Then you're just going to put in your username. You're going to choose a password for yourself. And once you've obviously, done all of that for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to log in to your, basic WordPress account. So I'm just going to choose a password. There we are. And obviously once that is done, we're going to log in. So pretty basic and easy stuff. Now I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in using, all my data and details. So obviously once I have logged in, what we're going to do is, as you can see, I have headed in to my domains and everything. So here it's going to ask you to choose, whatever plan you want. I'm going to go and start with the free one because, I don't really want the main basic plan. Then, the whole setup process comes. I'm going to skip to dashboard. You can fill that in if you want to, but I don't see it to be a big help, to be honest. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip on dashboard. Again, it's going to ask us to create our website and launch it. I'm again going to skip, and here we are in our dashboard. Now, once you fully set it up and optimized your WordPress, what we're going to do is we're going to create a Google Analytics account because that's the more important part. So we're going to go here. We're going to write Google Analytics. Okay. We're going to go to the Google Analytics website and make sure you have a good Google Analytics account creator. Now, you can create it through Gmail in very easy, pretty basic steps. So all you're going to do is you're going to use your Gmail account to create an account for yourself on your, analytics. So basically, if you haven't already done so, create an account. Go to analytics.com and sign up with your Google account. Once you are logged in, click on the sign up button and follow the instructions to create your account. Once your account is created, as mine is, the next step is to create a property in Google Analytics for your website. To do this, click on the admin button on the bottom left of the screen. So basically, here's the admin button. We're going to click on that. Now, once you do that, click on create property over here. So once you create a property for yourself, under the property column, basically enter the required information about your website, such as the website name and URL, and click on create to create your property. So basically name your website. So I'm just going to call it WP as in WordPress. Okay. I'm going to call it WP site. I'm going to click on next. So business information, medium, it's going to ask things you want it to do for your website. So I'm just going to choose all these other, just click on create now. Now, once I do that, it's going to basically create my property. And that's basically how easy it is to create a property in your Google Analytics. So basically, think of it as this: you've already done 50% of your, task. Now what you're going to do is you're going to install Google Analytics plugin on your WordPress. So now that you have, set it up your Google Analytics account and created a property for your website, it's time to install Google Analytics plugin on your WordPress website. So to do this, as I said, log in to your WordPress dashboard, respectively, and then click on plugins on the left-hand menu. So here's plugins. You're going to click on that, then click on add new. Okay. Now, either you can click on add new if you want to, or you can just search up here. And once you go here, search for Google Analytics. So we're going to go here, Google Analytics. You're going to enter that. Once you have obviously, done that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Google Analytics, install it, and activate it. So here we have it, WooCommerce Google Analytics integration. Now, you do have to make sure you have an upgraded account with WooCommerce and everything in it, because if you don't, you won't be able to integrate these two services together. So make sure you have that. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to move on to the next step, which is after installing the plugin, go to the plugin settings and click on authenticate with your Google account. So basically, once this is installed, it's going to be in your plugins and you're going to get the option. Again, I'll repeat, it will say authenticate with your Google account. So you're going to click on that, then follow the instructions, connect your Google Analytics account to your WordPress website. And once you have completed the authentication process, select the property you created in step 2, in the start of the video that I showed you, this property basically in your analytics section. And once you have obviously done that, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the drop down menu from WordPress and then click on Save Changes. And then finally, it's time to verify the Google Analytics that it's working for you on your website. So you're going to come here to your Google Analytics and you're going to go to the data stream and you're going to go to the analytics and see if the analytics are working. So what you can do is you're going to go on the account and click on the reporting tab. Okay. So basically in the here side, you have the reports tab. And once you open the reporting tab, navigate to the real-time section. So this is the real-time section. Okay. And once you have obviously headed into the real-time section, what you're going to do from here is visit your website in a new tab or window and check if the real-time report is showing active users on your website or not. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to, link it, integrate it through WordPress, adding the WordPress plugin and everything. There's also like another way to link both the services. You're going to go in admin, again, go on data streams, the property that we just created. What you're going to do for that is you can also go on web and you're just going to put in the URL for your website, which is going to be a WordPress website. So I'm going to put in the URL. I'm going to find my URL. Here it is. Okay. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to paste it here and there we go. So once I'm going to call this WP site 2. And once you have done that, there you go. You have the URL. So www. And yeah, then you're just going to paste your URL. Pretty basic and easy stuff. From there on out, you're going to click on create stream and it's going to automatically create a stream for you, with your Google Analytics and WordPress. So yeah, congratulations then. You have successfully installed Google Analytics on your WordPress website. With Google Analytics, you can now track and analyze your website's traffic, user behavior, and other important things that you need to keep your website running. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. So yeah, that's basically all there is to gain from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. And if I left anything out or you have an issue or query with the video, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll help you as soon as I can. But yeah, until then, again, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And I hope you all keep having a great day. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.